Welcome to EDU World Space.
Okay, so question is area of surface generated by rotating a loop of curve 3ay square equals to xa minus x whole square about x-axis and then about y-axis. So that we have to calculate. So we know if this is our, let's say, x and we have y, and let's assume this is the line we given and we want to find the surface area of this line after rotating about x-axis. So we can take a small part of this, let's take it as a ds, which can be divided into two parts, dx and dy. So we can write this as dx square plus dy square is ds square. Now if we take dx common, we get 1 plus dy by dx whole square times dx, right? And we need ds, so we can take root of this. Okay, so this is the ds what we get, and since we need the surface area, so surface area will be height, which is in this case is y, right? So this is radius times the circumference, so we can write the surface area small part is 2 pi r, which is y, times this length ds, so ds. Now the total area will be integration of 2 pi y, ds is root of 1 plus dy by dx dx, and here x is ranging from starting point to ending point, so let's take that as a to b. Okay, so after obtaining this formula, now let's go to the equation of our loop, which is 3a y square equals to x a minus x whole square. Now if we plot this loop, we get a loop like this, since at a it is 0 and at x equals to 0. So at 2 points we have our loop like this at 0 and at a. So we need the surface area of this loop only, and we are not bothered about this point, so we have to integrate from 0 to a. Okay, so we now know our integration, so now we have to find 1 plus dy by dx, and value of y is already here, right? Okay, so let's calculate dy by dx. So dy by dx of the function this will be equals to, so let's differentiate it, so 6a y dy by dx is equals to d by dx of x minus a minus whole square, right? So on solving this, we get dy by dx 6ay is equal, this gives x times a minus x times 2 times minus 1 plus a minus x whole square times 1, right? So we can write this dy by dx is equals to minus 2x a minus x plus a minus x square over 6a y. So we can take a minus x common, and here we get minus 2x plus a minus x over 6ay, and this gives us a minus x a minus 3x over 6ay. This is our dy by dx. Okay, so we obtain a dy by dx, and let's obtain the value of y, since we need that in our function. So y can be obtained by taking square root of the entire function here. So this will be root 3ay is equals to root of x and a minus x. So this gives us y is root x a minus x over root 3a. Now let's substitute this value obtained in our equation. So s is integration 0 to a 2 pi y, which is root x a minus x over root 3a times root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square, so which is this a minus x a minus 3x over 6a whole square dx. Let's substitute the value of y, this one. So we get 0 to a 2 pi root x a minus x over root 3a times 1 plus a minus x square a minus 3x whole square divided by 6 square, which is 36 a square, and y square. So y square value is x a minus x whole square upon 3a. Okay, so we can cancel some terms here. Okay, so we get, sorry, so this is 0 to a 2 pi root x a minus x over root 3a, and here we are left with a minus 3x square, and denominator we have 12xa, right? So this gives 12xa plus a minus 3x whole square divided by 12xa. Okay, so on simplifying this an entire term, here we have dx value, sorry, so this gives us 0 to a 2 pi root x will be cancelled by this root x, root a will be cancelled by this root a, so we'll be left by a minus x, and on simplifying this we get a plus 3x. Okay, sorry, a will get multiplied and not cancelled, so we'll be left with 12 into 3, which is 36, and 36 root is 6, so we get 6 times root a times root a is a dx. So on integrating this function and simplifying, we get value of our surface area is equals to pi a square over 3. Now to calculate the volume, sorry, surface obtained by revolving about the y-axis, so that is, this is our loop and we are rotating about y-axis, so we need ds, which is same as this. So we can calculate or simplify this ds as we have obtained here is a plus 3x over root of 12xa dx. So this was the ds and its surface area will be, so instead of rotating this entire loop, we can rotate the upper part of the loop, so that can, and double it, so this is 2 times 2 pi x times ds, and that is 2 times 2 pi x, ds is a plus 3x over root of 12xa dx. Okay, and here limit of x we know it is from 0 to a. Great, so if we simplify this, we can write this function as 2 pi over root 3a integration 0 to a into x raised to half plus 3 into x raised to 3 by 2 dx. So on calculating this, we get our surface area is equals to 56 pi root 3 a square over 45, and that is our answer. Thank you.